Picked up this bad boy right here. Suction cup. I think it was like $4.99. 4.5 inch diameter, lifts up to 80 pounds, pulls out dents and securely lift glass, tile, or any smooth surface material. So what are we gonna do with it? Ooh, we can pull that dent out maybe, but I'm actually thinking about trying it right here. So let's see what happens. All right, let's see if this will actually work. You can obviously clearly see the dent there. See what happens. Not working. This dent's too big, but not a problem. I just need to pop it out from the inside, so inside the fender. Probably gonna have to take off the fender well to get into it. Oh yeah, I could just take this thing off. Give me access to back here. All right, sorry folks, didn't work.